guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Shivangi and you're watching Glam Moment. Welcome back to yet another exciting and Merry Christmas to all of you. Today is 25th December and in this video I'm gonna share with you get ready with me, like the actual get ready. I got this beautiful look for this is my Christmas look. So let me know how is it, and in this video I'll be giving you a detailed tutorial how to achieve this beautiful makeup look. So if you're interested to know about this look, then keep on watching. Before starting the actual makeup, skin prep is a must and it's the key for a flawless base. So make sure to wash your face with a face wash and do a proper skincare routine. Apply toner and let it sit for at least 30 seconds. If you decide to skip your skincare routine, then trust me, your base will not look good and it will not look flawless no matter how expensive products you use. So skin prep is a must. Also, don't forget to moisturize your lips, and after that I'm using Kumkumadi Tailam. This is a very good moisturizing agent and it's very good for dry skin people. So you can use this as well, or any serum will do. Leave it for at least 2 minutes and don't forget to apply the serum to your neck, and it gives a very beautiful shine to your skin and it looks so plump. After that, you have to apply a proper moisturizer. Here I'm using the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer, but you can use any moisturizer that you have in your home. Products doesn't matter as such. What matters is your skills and the techniques you use to apply the products. Can you see how plump my skin looks after the proper skincare? And it will be the perfect base for my makeup products. Now starting the makeup, I'll be using Swiss Beauty Illuminating Primer. So you can use any primer, but I will suggest you to use an illuminating primer because it gives a very natural shine. And this one from Swiss Beauty is a very good one under budget. Next comes concealer. So today for concealer, I'm using Inside Cosmetics HD Concealer. This one is a very high coverage foundation concealer under such low price. So you can use this or you can use any concealer you have in your home. But what you have to do is you have to apply this in the dark spots you have, and then you have to blend it with a beauty blender. You can use a brush if you are more comfortable with it, but take your time in blending because blending is the key to a flawless base. Next comes foundation, and today for foundation I'm using my favorite foundation for winter, that is K by Katrina's foundation. It is a very hydrating foundation and it's the best for winter. So I'll use it again with a beauty blender and I will pack it at first and then I'll blend it in a proper dabbing motion. Don't drag, but in a dabbing motion you have to do the blending. So blend it properly under your eyes, mouth, everywhere, and also don't forget to apply foundation on your neck and also ears. Next I'll use a compact powder to set everything, but I'll use a compact only under my eyes and around my mouth area. I will not use a compact powder all over my face because it's winter and it will look very cakey if I use powder all over the face. So use powder only on the areas where you sweat mostly. Next, at first I'll use a cream blush. At first I'll use a coral shade and then I'll top it up with a powder blush. Also, I'll do a ombre thing with the blush because at first I'll use a coral shade and then I'll top it up with a proper pink shade. Next, I'll use a bronzer to give my face a chiseled look. So you can skip this, it's totally optional. So I'll use it. At first I'll pack it and then I'll blend it properly. But if you are using a bronzer, make sure to blend it properly. Otherwise, the harsh lines looks very bad and your makeup can turn disaster. So you can skip it if you are a beginner. After blending with the brush, I'll use a beauty blender to blend everything smoothly. And then I'll set my face with a setting spray. After that, I'll again use a beauty blender to blend everything out smoothly.
It also helps to remove any excess makeup products. Then I'll use a highlighter. I'm using the PAX highlighter. It's a very subtle highlighter yet gives you the best glowy skin.
I'll apply highlighter on the bridge of my nose, cheek, chin and all the highest parts of my face to enhance the glow. Next comes eye makeup. Today for eye makeup, I'm using the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. I'll take a peach or a light brown shade and I'll pack the shadow all over my eyelid and blend it properly along your crease line. Blend it properly, take your time in blending, then only it will give a very soft look. After the blending part is done, I'll move to the eyeliner, and today for eyeliner I went with the wing eyeliner.
Wing eyeliner takes a little bit practice, but with practice it's very easy. And also I'll do a sharp edge at the front. It looks very classy these days. Next, I'll do my eyebrows with a Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. Don't forget to fill your eyebrows. It makes a huge difference in your makeup and it's very essential part of the makeup. Next, I'll coat my eyelashes with this Maybelline's mascara. This is a very beautiful mascara. It gives proper length and volume to your eyelashes. I'm currently loving this mascara. And also, don't forget to coat your lower lash line. Most people forget to apply mascara on the lower lash line, so don't do that. And next, I'll complete the look with a red lipstick. But first, I'll coat my lip with the dark brown lip liner, and then I'll move in with a beautiful red liquid lipstick, and the combo looked so pretty. And then with my finger I'll blend the lip liner with the lipstick properly, and that's my final look, guys. Just look at the base makeup. The base looked so flawless and I love the glow it gives. Let me know in the comment box what you think about the makeup look, and that's the final look. We'll meet very soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.